Okay, so you filmed yourself on your phone or maybe with your iPad or maybe on your computer and you have your video. Hopefully you have already done the step of uploading that video somewhere into your Google Drive. That would be great. What you're going to do now is you are going to click the plus button here to upload your video to here on Flipgrid. So I think it's going to blank out my face in the video below, which is fine. You can see me here. You're going to click this little button right here that says upload in order to put your video in. If you have it saved to your desktop, it's as simple as a drag and drop. So let's pretend this is my video. I would just drag it and drop it right there, and Flipgrid would have the video, and it would take a little while to download, upload. But just know that then you're done, you are good to go. So that's how you upload your video to Flipgrid. All right.